brand systems or guidelines being neglected is not something that intentionally happens. I think it's just an organic process that generally occurs over time. So I suppose the main culprits for this will be change of ownership, not only from the agency side, but also from the brand side. So where you would have someone that may have initially been involved in a brand project or been managing that brand, they may have moved on, gone to a new area of the business, or kind of changed roles. And so again, there's that change of guard almost, where it's maybe not been picked up and someone's not carried it through into the same level of consistency or the same style, really. So I think that's a real kind of key one here. And again, internal teams, if the internal team from an agency has changed, it can kind of have an effect. So it's really important that design systems are here to provide that one centralized place. So no matter who kind of moves or how the business changes, there is this one central source that businesses and agencies can kind of work from. So that would probably be the kind of main culprit in terms of the design systems being neglected. I think also it's important as well that over time the kind of design systems are reviewed. So again, these systems shouldn't be seen as kind of rigid or fixed guidelines. So they should actually have scalability, and they should have that fluidity to kind of grow with the business and grow potentially as the brand changes, as new products come into place, as the audience changes. You know, if there's amalgamations with other businesses or a change of direction, I think it's really important that a brand needs to be as flexible as a business. So not having that constant review and kind of checking of, is this still what we need? Is this still saying the right elements, essentially? It is another kind of reason. So it's generally an organic thing that can happen over time, but also it can happen if it's, it's not reviewed regularly, I'd say.